A vision board is a powerful tool for goal setting and personal development. It is a visual representation of your goals and aspirations, and it can help to keep you motivated and focused as you work towards achieving them. In this article, we will discuss the steps needed to create a vision board, as well as the benefits of using one. The first step in creating a vision board is to gather all of the materials you will need. This can include a large piece of poster board or foam board, a variety of magazines, scissors, and glue or tape. You may also want to include other items such as pictures, quotes, or other meaningful items that can help to inspire you. Once you have all of your materials, the next step is to spend some time thinking about your goals and aspirations. What do you want to achieve in the short term and in the long term? What are your dreams and aspirations? It can be helpful to write these down so that you have a clear idea of what you want to include on your vision board. The next step is to start gathering images, quotes, and other items that represent your goals and aspirations. You can do this by flipping through magazines, looking online, or by taking your own photos. As you gather these items, think about how they relate to your goals and how they can help to inspire you. Once you have gathered all of the items you want to include on your vision board, you can start arranging them on your poster board or foam board. You can use glue or tape to attach them in place, and you can arrange them in a way that makes sense to you. Some people like to have a central image that represents their overall goals, and then have smaller images and quotes around it that represent specific goals. As you are creating your vision board, it's important to make sure that it is visually appealing and inspiring. This will help you to keep it in a place where you will see it often, so it will always be on your mind and will serve as a reminder of your goals. Once your vision board is complete, you can hang it in a place where you will see it often, such as your bedroom or office. Seeing your vision board every day will help to keep your goals and aspirations in the forefront of your mind, and it will serve as a constant reminder of what you are working towards. One of the benefits of creating a vision board is that it can help to keep you motivated and focused. When you have a clear visual representation of your goals, it can be easier to stay motivated and on track. It also allows you to dream big and to come up with new goals you never thought you would achieve. Another benefit of creating a vision board is that it can help to increase your self-awareness and clarity. As you work on your vision board, you will be forced to think about your values, passions, and what truly matters to you. This will help you to gain a deeper understanding of yourself and what you want to achieve in life. Finally, creating a vision board can help to increase your accountability. When you have a visual representation of your goals, it can be easier to hold yourself accountable for making progress towards achieving them. It also serves as a reminder of your progress and to celebrate your accomplishments. In conclusion, creating a vision board is a powerful tool for goal setting and personal development. It can help to keep you motivated and focused, increase your self-awareness and clarity, and increase your accountability. With a little time and effort, you can create a vision board that will serve as a constant reminder of your goals and aspirations and will help you to achieve them.